Welcome back to my maths channel, and today we're going to be reviewing and answering question number 5 of the 23rd Cyprus Mathematical Olympiad for the 7th and 8th grade. It says here in question number 5, our car's fuel gauge indicates that it is only 1/8 full. We put 15 liters and it shows 3/4, so 3/4 full. The number of liters needed to fill is alpha 2, beta 3, gamma 4, delta 5, eta 6. So what we can say is that the fastest way is to create a linear equation. An equation uses a variable, obviously, so we take x. X here will represent the amount of liters that the car takes. So the amount of liters in the car fuel. So basically representing car fuel in liters. So we mean the whole thing. So we can directly say 15. This is one of the things we know. 15 liters. We put in 15 liters. And we also already had 1/8 of this x with the 15 liters. And that would be equal to 3/4 of this x. You get 1/8x. If there's no space, then that means it's multiplication. So 1/8x plus 15L is equal to 3/4x. So what we can do, we can take the 1/8x to the other side and do 3/4x minus 1/8x. Now, the thing is, all we have to do is subtract the coefficients, meaning the numbers that we are multiplying the variable x with, the car fuel variable. So by subtracting them, we need to take the LCM for the denominators. So 6/8 minus 1/8. And you finally get 15 liters is equal to 5/8x. So in actual words, you can say that 5/8 of the car fuel is 15 liters. Now, what we can directly do is that we can also write it as 5x/8. And you know how we took the addition to the other side? And if you already know how equations, if you already know equations, then you know what will happen next. What we'll do is take 8 to the other side, and since divide by 8, it's division, it will swap into multiplication. So you have 15 times 8, 15 liters times 8 is equal to 5x, which when you multiply, you get 120 liters is equal to 5x. Now, then we have multiplication, and we also want to take that to the other side. And here's the LHS, and here's the RHS for referring. LHS stands for left-hand side. RHS stands for right-hand side. So we take 5 to the left-hand side, to the LHS, and we divide. Because multiplication becomes division. You swap it around. And then you get 120 divided by 5 is equal to x. Then we calculate the LHS to get the value of the RHS, which is x, the variable here. So we can say 120 divided by 5, which is 24 liters. So you can say x is equal to 24 liters, meaning the amount of, if the fuel gauge of the car was full, if there was a full amount of fuel in the car, then it would be 24 liters of fuel inside the car. That's what it's basically saying. That's what we figured out. Now, if we want to go back to the question, what it's asking is the number of liters that's needed to fill it up. Now, we already put 15 liters and it showed 3/4. So we know that 3/4 of the car is full with gasoline or fuel. Its car's engine. So instead of directly saying 3/4 of 24, and then we can subtract it by the actual 24, we can do a trick. Now 1 here, again, as I said, is 100%. It's the whole thing. So if we do 1 minus 3 by 4, you get 1 by 4. 1, again, as I said, will represent the whole fuel, the whole amount of car fuel. Hello, sorry for the inconvenience, there was some pause. So as I was saying, since 1 represents the whole amount of car fuel, and 3/4 is the amount of car fuel that is already inside. So 1/4 would be the amount remaining that we need to put in. So that means that when you have 1/4 remaining, so all we have to do is find 1/4 of 24 liters, which is basically 1/4 times 24, cancel, you get 6. So 6 liters we need to put in. So when we go back and check the options, the number of liters needed to fill is 6. So the answer is eta. Thank you again for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it and also had some help. And if you want to see more videos like this, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And again, it's free, so you can do it, and it's a win-win. So thank you for watching again. Please consider liking, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell. And I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.